ko yun, oh. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. We are going to celebrate my goodbye calendar birthday. So today is May 8th and we are 1 week late to celebrate my birthday, but it's okay because we had so many things to do first, a lot of things to do first. So yun, inuna muna namin. Priorities. Ang birthday naman, isang buwan naman pwedeng i-celebrate. So here we are. We're going to drum roll. Niagara.
Special.
We're going to Niagara to celebrate my birthday and wala lang, celebrate lang natin. Actually, we have so much events happen in our lives na i-celebrate namin today and until tomorrow. Kaya yun na yun, 3-in-1 na, 4-in-1, 5-in-1 celebration. And the best thing is, it's not about how expensive or how grand you're going to celebrate your birthday or any events that happen in your life.
Really? It's not grand?
It's not about how expensive it is. It's not about how many gifts you received or how many, what's that? Oh, or basta yun na nga, hindi naman sa sa dami nang iimbitahin mo, hindi naman sa dami ng handa mo.
Circumstances.
So it will be just a simple celebration, pero syempre wala namang simpleng gagagastos din, diba? So
Gasolina pa lang, malaki na eh.
We deserve it. No. I deserve it.
Yeah, you deserve it.
I deserve it. I deserve to have a celebration that I want. So let's go. We will show you the celebration that we are talking about. But for now, bakit ba ang gulo-gulo mo usap? But for now, ayun, ngayon ako nakapag-intro pero kanina pa kami umalis. Kanina pa kami umalis ng London. Ngayon ako nakapag-intro kasi very groggy pa ako kanina. Masakit ang ulo. Daming stress na pinagdaanan. Pero nakapagkape na. Kaya, yun, Cora na. So, we will see you later and we will show you the place that we are going to stay for a night. For 2 days. 2 days and 1 night. So, we'll see you later. Hi guys! So we're here. Dito na kami sa hotel namin. And we're gonna show you the room that we rent. Okay? Let's go! Gusto niyo bang malaman kung bakit dito kami nag-check-in ng asawa ko? Gusto nila malaman, love. Why?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Hindi mo rin alam?
Mm-mm.
It's because of the view! It's because it is directly facing the Niagara Falls over there. Nangabot kamay lang namin. We will show you, okay? Here we go! Tada! Here's the view! Look at that! Ah! Ayun na yung US, oh. Yun. US na yan. Diyan. Here's a beautiful Niagara Falls. Look at that. Ang daming tao, oh. Kahit umaulan. Look at that. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. Kitang-kita mo yung buong falls, love, no?
Kasi fall na eh. Hindi ba ba? Spring pa.
Love. Ganda. Happy ka? Ikaw may
Ikaw.
birthday?
Ikaw may birthday. Hindi ako. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you, love. And here's our room. The room is simple. Ang binayaran mo talaga dito is the view. Look at this. But we got everything there. So, hi guys. So, I will show you the freebies of checking in here at Marriott Hotel. So, dalawa yung Marriott Hotel dito sa Niagara Falls. It is called, the first one is called the Marriott on Falls Hotel. And then the other one is Marriott Falls View Hotel and Spa. So, nandun kami sa pangalawa. Nandito kami ngayon sa Marriott Hotel and Spa. And Falls View Spa. And meron sila mga freebies. So, I will show you. Nandito siya lahat. So, I'll show you. Okay? So, eto guys, yung mga freebies niya sa Morton's Grill. We have like, join us for a complimentary wine or craft beer sample for 2 from 5 to 7. And meron din spirits tasting for 2. Beer sampling for 2. Meron din family e-portrait sa Hershey's. And then a 2 WeGo passes. Yun. So, kunin lang namin yan siya. Pupuntahan lang namin siya doon. And then, we can have our freebies. So, ang maganda dito, kung ano yung nasa photo nila, nasa brochure nila, yun din mismo. Kasi yan yung nasa brochure nila, di ba? Then, look at this. Yun talaga mismo. The bed. And here's the view. So, it is so beautiful. Hi guys! So, update. Andito na kami sa Niagara and we just checked in. And as you can see when I showed you the room, it's a simple room but has a very beautiful view of the Niagara Falls. So ngayon, naghahanap kami ng spot for our DIY photo shoot for my birthday. Kahit na late na, DIY photo shoot pa rin. Kasi ganun pag-spoil ng asawa. Isabihin ko lang daw, siya nang bahala doon. So, naghanap kami. Ang daming tao ngayon, parang hindi siya lockdown. Actually, dapat ang lockdown is extended until May 20. Pero ang daming tao. But still with masks on. Tapos, yun. So, yeah. Babalik kami dun sa garden kung saan kami nag-picture dati. And we will take some photos. Naku, ang daming tao. Super daming tao. We'll show you.
Yun lang ang ganda.
Yeah, look at that. Daming tao. See? Daming tao.
Nag-bloom na din yung ano.
Yeah. Look at that. Galing na kami dito before but it is still beautiful and wow! Lahat na ng tulips nag-bloom na siya. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow! Pretty. Daming tao. Bakit yung favorite na flowers ko na sa gilid-gilid lang makikita dito? You know? Tulips all over Niagara. Oh my, it's so beautiful.
Parang first time mo.
Sa Niagara. Parang feeling ko first time ko ulit sa Niagara.
2 years ka na dito, te.
Oh my god, look at the tulips over there. Ooh.
Mas maganda mag-park doon.
Ganda. That's where we are staying there. Marriott Hotel. Another update. Tapos na kami mag DIY photoshoot and nakakatawa. Yung mga Pilipino po dito nagtatawanan kami na may dala-dala kaming balloons. Tapos yung mga ibang lahi natatawa sila pero parang yung mga mukha nila parang that's cool. Pero yung mga Pilipino yung tawa nila grabe. Missing parang ba yun? Balloons pa. Kakaloko, no? Anyways, that's their opinion, so let's not mind them. Here we are at Niagara Brewing Company and Distillery.
Public parking.
Yan. Kunin na namin ang aming freebies. Right here.
Sa public parking, $15. Ano, dito?
Guys, We are not able to vlog so much of what happened today kasi nag-enjoy kami mag-picture taking. And we enjoyed the view as well as yung freebies din na wine and beer. Balab. So now it's 10 in the evening and we decided to go down and see the Niagara Falls at night. So we will see kung ano naman ang itsura ng Niagara Falls. But then, according to Google weather forecast, magkakaroon ng snow ngayong gabi. But we hope na maliit lang, konting snow lang. Let's go! Okay, labas na kami ng hotel. Going to the parking area para sa aming night adventure. Night adventure! Uy, I love my hair. Look at my hair, love. Bouncy. So bouncy. So is he waiting for you? Taxi? The cab? I think it's raining. It's raining already. Woo! Lamig! Yan mo naman yung outfit. Hindi nilalamig. So, kita mo yung mga tao dito. Come on. That's our hotel. That's where we're staying. Ngayon na siya. I know you're happy. I know you're happy. Because we have free parking!
Walang bayad.
Niagara Falls at night. Dami pa ring tao. Oh, look at that. It's freaking cold. Freaking cold out here.